In this short tutorial, I'm going to instruct you on how to use these two templates that will allow you to send your artwork to the printer and then to the Cricut cutter to have the artwork cut out, and then you can assemble it. The Photoshop file has a linked AI file, and it's important that you start from the Photoshop file, and with layers open from the window and properties, you're going to start with clicking on edit contents, and it's going to take you directly to the Illustrator file. So you can go about customizing this however you want. Any kind of house, basically. The work is done here in Illustrator, and then it's important that you save the work. And then when you go back to Photoshop, it hasn't updated yet. My computer's running a little slow this morning, but you need to make sure you save it. It's making me do this twice before it updates. And then it's updated. And the reason I've set this up the way I have is that the Cricut cutter needs to see transparency as far as defining the shape that it's cutting. So it's important that you are preparing this file in Illustrator, but it's existing as a link into this Photoshop file, which you will then, for submission, go to File and save as not a Photoshop file, but a PNG. And when you submit that PNG, then you'll be notifying the instructor, and they will take you over to the Cricut machine and you can produce your work. So have fun.